Hello, good morning dear students. Okay, in the previous video we learned about the start of a new chapter number 10, geometry. And in that we learned the two topics in the previous video, that is the plane shape and the solid shapes. And hopefully that you done your homework with the exercise 10.1 and that I give you, that observe your living room and write down the shapes from the living room objects. Okay, so first we are as I told you about the plane shape, how it will be looks, what is the plane shape and what is the solid shape, how it will be looks with the examples. Hopefully that you also observe the things and you identify this is the plane shape or the solid shape. So we are going to start with the plane shape. We learn them one by one. First of all, I told you that plane shapes are in the 2D form. Even nobody asked me after uploading the video, after the watching the video, that what is the meaning of 2D. I just request that some of the students will be ask me that what is the 2D shape, ma'am, why you tell that plane is the 2D and why you tell the solid shape are 3D, but nobody asked me. Okay, leave it. So what is the plane shape? Plane shapes are in the form of the 2D. Full form of 2D is the 2 dimensions. Full form of 2D means the 2 dimensions, means उसमें दो चीजें add होगी. I will show you by the drawing of that. First shape. So this is the rectangle. Here you can see that this is the length of the rectangle and this is the breadth of the rectangles. You cannot see the height of that. So only two dimensions are there, that is the length and the breadth. So plane shapes are called 2D. Like that, for 3 dimensions, I draw the cube. For the 3 dimension, it has a length, breadth and the height. Length, breadth and the height also. Breadth means the depth. उसकी डेप्थ जो होगी वो भी है, हाइट भी है और लेंथ भी है. That's why it is called the 3D, means the 3 dimension objects. So let's learn the plane shape one by one. First, square. This is the square. Simply, the square has 4 length, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides, 1, 2, 3 and the 4. Square has a 4 sides and 4 vertex. Vertex means corner. Square has 4 sides, 4 vertex. 4 sides, 4 vertex and 2 diagonals. This is called the diagonal cross. 4 sides, 4 vertex and 2 diagonals, and length of all sides are same. Length of 4 sides are same and 2 diagonals also. So this is the square. Okay, so I will Draw the square and write down the name, also the sides and the vertex. Square A, B, C and the D. So how can you identify this? This is called square A, B, C and D. You can write down the name like this. So there are 4 sides: AB, BC, CD and DA. So there are 4 sides: side AB, BC, CD and DA. 4 vertex: 1, 2, 3, 4. Name A, B, C and D. Side vertex A, B, C and D. Diagonal AC and BD. 2 diagonals are there. AB equals to CD, BC equals to DA or AD. AB equals to CD and AB equals to BC. These are the things you have to know about the square. Square have a 4 side, 4 vertex. Length of 4 sides are same and 2 diagonals. So all will be equal. Sorry, I just AD is here. 4 side length are equal. So AB equals to BC equals to CD equals to AD. 4 side name AB, BC, CD and DA. Vertex A, B, C, D. Diagonals AC and BD. Cross. And the AB equals to CD equals to AD equals to BC. This is the square. Here you have to pause the video and this thing you have to write down in your notebook. Second, rectangle. Okay, so here I am draw. Use the scale to draw this AB, CD. This is the rectangle. It's look like a square. So I draw it again. A, B, C and the D. This is the rectangle ABCD. So rectangle have also 4 sides, same as a square, 4 vertex. But here you can see that AB and CD have a long length, but AD and BC have a smaller than AB and CD length. So opposite sides are same. All sides not same, opposite sides are same. AB and CD are opposite, so both are same. But AB and BC are not opposite, so both are not same. So AB equals to CD, BC equals to AD. So here we are write rectangle ABCD. Sides name AB, BC, CD and DA. You can also write down the alternative. Vertex also same, A, B, C and the D. Next, diagonals AC and BD. Right? And which sides are same? AB and CD. AB equals to CD and ED equals to BD. AD equals to B. This is the rectangle. You have to write down all the things in your notebook. Plane shape and its property. Heading will be that. Okay, first square we learn, rectangle both are look like same. Only one change will be there for the length of side, means opposite sides are same. Here all sides are same. In the square all sides are same, but in the rectangle opposite sides are same. And this is, I forgot to draw the diagonal here. Okay, so only one different in the square and the rectangle, that is about the length of the side. Length of four sides are same in the square, but in the rectangle opposite sides are same. Third, pause the video and write down all the things. Triangle. Triangle shape. Okay. A, B and C. You can write down the name of your choice, but here you have to compulsory write down these names only. A, B and C. Right? So starting, you can see that 1, 2 and the 3 sides are there. So 3 sides, 1, 2 and 3. 3 vertices. There is no diagonal. There are not. We cannot see the sides are always equal. But in this condition, you have to just, if there will be not given the length of the side, then you have to just remember all sides are equal in the triangle at that time. So write down the name of the sides: AB, BC and AC. You can also write down the CA. Vertex. Vertex means the corner. A, B and C. That's it. This is the triangle. Last, in the plane shape, circle. You cannot see the sides and the vertex. No side, no vertex. No side, no vertex for that. This is the simple circle. You can also use to draw a coin to draw this figure in your notebook. Okay, so there is no side, no vertex in the circle, simply plain. That will be a one center in that. Using all that, you can draw the circle. Only one center and one radius. Using of that, you can draw the circle. Center name OA. OA. Now you cannot write AO. You have to be compulsory write down the OA only. And the radius, sorry, center is O and radius will be, you can write down the OA. So these things you have to be know about the plane shapes, and you have to be remember what is this, what is the square, how many sides have the square, how many sides have the rectangle, how many vertices have a triangle, how many vertices have a circle. That time you have to tell me, ma'am, 0 vertex for the circle. Okay, so remember this thing and complete your homework. Write down all the things in your notebook. Thank you so much. Have a good day.